Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change ringtone, how you can set ringtone in your phone Vivo Y16. First go to the settings of your phone here and then go to sound and here select phone ringtone. Here list of ringtones will be available, just you can select anyone. So these are all the system ringtone, just you can select anyone. You can also set to custom ringtone. Click on custom ringtone here, but here also some available ringtones are showing. If you have installed SD card in your phone, if you have inserted SD card in the SIM slots, then you will have the option. This is SIM slot. Okay, you will have the option for picking up tones from your sim your memory card. Okay, so if you have any SD card, if you have any songs on that, they will be listed here. Unfortunately I don't have memory card here. I have only inserted one sim, so it didn't show now. Okay, so in this way you can also set a custom ringtone. You can choose system ringtone or custom ringtone for setting up a ringtone. This ringtone can be customized here. In this way you can easily change any ringtone, set any ringtone for our phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.